Look, it's the first time I saw a cactus. Wow. This is the first time I saw a mountain like that. See, I've been to Vegas before in California, but we literally spent like so little time. We literally like landed in Vegas with my family, and then we drove all the way to LA just for like a couple hours, and then we went to San Diego. So we didn't really spend time like seeing these mountains. This is my second time being in Vegas, but it's gonna be my first time being Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. So we are actually in the Hoover Dam lounge. So we're gonna go and look at Hoover Dam and then drive to Arizona Grand Canyon. But you see, the vlog that I made when we went here, I lost the SD card. But yeah, I wish I could have found the SD card, but I lost it. That was the time where I lost my Sony ZV-1 as well. We went on a vacation, like 2 days later, I had my Sony ZV-1 vlogging at the mall, and I somehow lost it in the mall. Probably put it somewhere trying to get a montage and literally forget to get it. So I'm 100% positive that it's with that camera. Man, it's my first time seeing a live cactus. We got free coffee. This thing is good. You see my girl and her friend. The girls, pretty much, they're doing some souvenir shopping. I don't know why I lost that in my mind. It's taking forever. Oh yeah.
Think I met her out in Soho. Yeah, I knew that she was with it from the go-go. Said she loved Coco, turned it to a snow globe. Shorty kinda looked like JoJo. She said, where'd you go though? I said I was leaving, and she came in hot.
Bye Hoover Dam.
In the back with a three-piece, all bad teens, one looking like Riri. You probably seen her on TV, yeah. Bottle popping, shorty call me Poppy. She don't wanna go to sleep, she said she don't do the soft. And I'm like, baby, what you...
Ooh, so we are in Arizona. We're almost in Grand Canyon. We're actually like an hour 10 minutes away. But yeah, we've been driving for quite a bit of time. It was like 3 hours. Supposedly it was 3 hours and 30 minutes. So we've been driving for 2.5 hours. It's cold in here. Alright guys, we made it to Grand Canyon. We are here at El Tovar Hotel. My girlfriend wanted to eat here. My God, look at that. I want to go over there. See the Grand Canyon. I want to see the Grand Canyon. It's over there, but it's so cold right now. I want to get a hoodie. Oh my goodness, I didn't even brought a hoodie.
They ask who I am, I say Otis. I'm the kid that nobody ever noticed. Now I flip a brick, yeah, I got it from my homie. Shorty do a trick, yeah, I hit her when I'm lonely. I'ma come up from the Honda to the Benzie. Load the drum up, cause I know they wanna dead me. I'ma stay above, cause I know they are pretending.
Look at this, it was so nice, right? It was so nice earlier, right? Like, look at this now. It's snowing. Oh my God, I don't even got a jacket. Bro, I was just shooting that cool cinematic sequence and now it's freaking snowing. How does this work? Bro, I didn't know Arizona was like Chicago. It's bipolar.
I'm looking, punch drunk, point to it, got me touched up, 30s crushed up. Yeah, I almost fell in love once, but I fucked up. Now I'm still up when the sun's up. That's my dumb luck. Is it recording? Houston.
So we're here at the souvenir shop. Need a hoodie because you guys see the snow crazy. So I like this hoodie though. It's like this, right? This is how cinematic this could be, man. Look, like my new hoodie, guys. Look, cinematic sequence.
I got so much.
So if you could just please like and subscribe and comment something down below. Really helps the morale of, you know, me making videos, and you know, and it just motivates me to do more. So yeah, I'll catch you guys next vlog. Bye bye.
Got so much drinking me, wonder if you missing me. These days I can't fucking sleep, it's bad, I'm out here living dreams. If I send this text, I'm